How is Octave unleashing intelligence at scale for manufacturing? By using data to empower sector leaders to transform complexity into clarity. Predictive maintenance, quality management, project oversight. Octave helps you stay ahead of disruption by turning operational data into actionable insight. So every plant, process, and project runs smarter, safer, and more efficiently. From aerospace and defense for compliance, traceability, and mission readiness, to automotive for driving reliability from plant to pavement, to heavy equipment built to last, backed by quality, to pulp and paper, maintaining reliability and sustainability in continuous production, to CPG, packaging for consistency that builds consumer confidence. Octave helps build operational resilience that keeps production moving. It powers the heart of manufacturing, where uptime, safety, and quality are critical. Its purpose-built solutions help prevent disruptions, manage risk, and maintain performance. Octave gives teams the insight and tools to respond fast, allocate resources wisely, and keep production running reliably. The result, a resilient, efficient, and compliant operation. Backed by decades of expertise, Octave is equipping manufacturing with the power of tomorrow's digitalization. Today, Octave, unleashing intelligence at scale.